from the edge of the metal to the edge of this pattern is about a heavy 1/8 of an inch, and that'll get my alignment up here in the front. So then I've got three points of contact, there, and there, and that'll align it. That'll align it just fine. Now I'm going to split my pattern. I left that little tab sticking out, a little piece of plastic right there, and I can pull this tape because I have some plastic to hold on to. If I didn't have any plastic to hold on to, trying to get this thing back apart is a pain. And here again, you want to be careful about not warping it, twisting and stretching your tape, because this painter's tape will stretch if you pull it hard enough. You want to just take it off there nice and easy. And that is one side of my pattern. And that's about it. I'm lined up on the edge of my wood. I'm going to parallel this crease and just roll these points forward. See, these I'm just going to roll them forward and let them find their own place. But these master lines have to be straightened. This one is curled down ever so slightly to the bottom. I'm going to have to lift that up carefully. Move it up the hill just a little bit. Something like that. And then my master lines come in right there and right there from here on that point and that point. And then I'm going to take a really sharp tool, like a little needle, and scratch that. Just scratch it right along that line. I'm not going to try to do that with a pencil. It's too easy to, it's hard to draw on finished wood. That's the reason I go ahead and lay out my checkering pattern before I finish my wood. I didn't have that option on this one. This is a nail set that I put a needle point on, but it'll make me a nice little scratch. So you can scratch finish easier than you can draw on it. I'm just going to put a point at the point of that. I'm not going to draw that line because these lines, when I keep going that way, it will create that line. And these lines, when I go this way, it'll create that line. And if I draw that and it's halfway in between some lines, that's not a good thing. Okay, that's scratched sufficiently. I think I'm just going to leave it on there until I get ready to actually do the checkering on that. But that's the idea. Then I'll take the plastic off of this side and put it on the other side. Keep in mind, this is the original forearm, and all I did was just deepen the checking. I didn't recut it. I didn't remake it. And there we go. I like it. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Well, thanks for choosing to spend your time here with me today. I hope you've enjoyed this program. I'll try to post a new segment each weekend. In addition, if you'd like to read about a stock that I made and then it took a 20-foot free fall, click on the link at the bottom of this page. It's called The Broken Gun. It's a story I wrote a few years ago about my two boys. Sometimes life's hard and things get broken. Now and then we get a chance to fix them. I'm so grateful for the opportunity I had to repair this broken stock. It led to a restoration that I never could have imagined. As always, if you like this video, please click the like button and share this with your friends. Have a great day.